chicken, bell pepper, tomato, mushrooms, and snow peas. For the exact measurement, I'll put it in my description below. We'll slice the chicken. I'm using breast part of the chicken, so any part of the chicken will do. Now, we'll slice the mushroom into small size. And now, we'll slice the bell pepper. I'm using 2 small bell pepper, so we'll remove the seeds and slice it into cube size. So here's all our ingredients. So sliced mushroom, sliced chicken, onion, garlic, bell pepper, tomato, snow peas, pepper, paprika, salt, and spicy sauce. So this spicy sauce is optional. We also need tomato paste, water, and oil. So we'll prepare a pan and turn it in medium heat. And then when the pan is hot, put oil. So I'm using olive oil. Cooking oil will do. When the oil is already hot, we can already put the chicken. So we'll fry first the chicken, both sides. So we'll transfer now to the other side. Still same procedure. We'll continue mixing until both sides is golden brown. So the chicken will look presentable if it's golden brown. Now our chicken is golden brown. So we can transfer this one into a plate and then set aside. Add garlic. If you like to add more oil, so you can do so. But for me, this is enough oil from the chicken. Add onion. And then mix. Add tomato and mix. And now we can add the chicken and mix. Continue mixing until all the ingredients mix with the chicken. Add the mushroom and then mix. And I add 1/3 cup of water. And then mix all together. I'm using fresh mushroom. If you have canned mushroom, it will be okay also. Now add the snow peas and the bell pepper. Continue mixing until all the ingredients will mix. Now we'll add the seasoning. Put paprika. You can put more or less. It depends your taste of preferences. Put pepper and then salt to taste. Mix it together so that the seasoning will mix all the ingredients. We'll cover the pan for 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we'll mix it again. And our chicken mushroom is almost ready. So if you don't like for spicy, this recipe is already ready to serve. So we're adding spicy because my husband loves the spicy sauce. So I'm sitting aside for my kid so that he can eat also. Add tomato paste. I'm using the spicy one. Add Sambal Oelek sauce. So this is extra spicy. So again, this is optional. But if you like spicy sauce, so you can add this sauce. Mix again until the spicy sauce will mix all the ingredients. So this is our spicy chicken mushroom. So you can transfer this one into a serving bowl and it's ready to serve. And that's all for our recipe today. I hope you will try this one at home. And please don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for more updated videos. Until the next video.